Inter-org competitions to worry about.
I'm sorry, Papi.
I'm worried lang pagka nagiging emotional kayo for everything that will happen na lang. No, I'm worried. Okay, I hope it's just that, no? Kasi in the end, pag may umalis, kung umiyak kayo pag may umalis, ganun, nagbabaha dito eh. Pero 2 hours later, wala na. And I think yun naman talaga yung totoo eh. Hindi yung initial reaction eh. So I hope the initial reaction is just a passing phase and it doesn't really affect you. Ha? Ganun. Hindi mo ubusan ng ganito. Okay? Okay? Okay guys, good night. Good night. Ay, wait. Meron pa tayong kailangan i-decide. Ano kakantahin nyo? For gala night, yung duet singing. Yeah. Nandun yung listahan. Dali, now, I'm gonna give you 15 minutes to decide.
Sir, it's not in the list.
Yung song ninyo?
It's not about it.
How did you know? So, sigurado na kayo doon? How did you know by?
I know, of course. It's so fortunate.
Okay. Nasaan na yung listahan dito?
I think, sir, it's there in the room po of the girls. Kasi nag-choose po sila. At, sir, ito na po yung namin.
Okay.
So, no, it's not that. Okay lang ba na
Okay lang po sir yung What a Wonderful World.
Akin na yung yung sulat nyo sa akin. Sulat nyo. Huwag yung kita sa akin. Nasaan yung dream songs nyo?
Saan yung...
Come on. Akin na.
Sumay pa rin tayo magluluto.
Yeah.
Okay pa tayo.
I had my way as leader. If I had my way as leader, this wouldn't have happened. But okay.
It's gonna only make her stronger, even stronger.
Yeah,
It's just we're not sad about that.
Walking down.
Yeah, I know it's bonding. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, our original.
But then you know what, guys? Reality check. It's been 3 weeks. We're gonna be here for a longer time. There's gonna be more.
Yeah.
This keeps things interesting to say in our lives here. Can you imagine if there's just one voice and and like us, we're deteriorating the fastest.
Give my life away. If it could only be.
O Ivan, huwag mong papatayin. Baka galit ka na naman sa akin.
Ay, ano ba? Hindi oh.
Solid. Yeah, sorry, wala kaming welcome gift.
Kanta?
Ito mo, may patatas yun.
May part mo na naman.
Kapay tayo.
Hello, song anong song? Yung song natin. Oh, nag-start natin. Nag-start natin ng song. Shiny. Hey, we're still here.
Yeah, what a head.
Naiiyak ako, huwag kang ganyan. Hindi ako nagsasaya kung hindi mag-remote. Check. Pagdating dito,
I wanted to make a joke right now. Si Isha Michal pa. Even though.
palutuin mo na ako.
No, it's okay. Hindi naman sasabing gusto mo magluto.
Let's go.
Hindi, magluluto pa rin sila together. Bakit gusto mo?
Because you look hot like this.
Hindi kasi
Hindi magluto ka ng own food. Ay, just kidding.
nakakatuwa.
Well ka naman dyan. Paano yung iyak mo kahapon yung may...
Kanina yun.
Sino lang yan? Alam mo yung dinosaur na green? Tapos yellow yung spikes niya. Ayusin natin yung song, yung division, saka ano. Kasi yung pitch, baka masyado mataas. Ay, adjust na natin.
Teka lang na.
O, yung kulawat mo, Lizel! Yung kulawat mo na sa t-shirt mo!
Wala kaya.
Ha? Mahirap to. Mahirap.
Galit ka ba sa akin?
Bakit?
Kasi ako yung leader ng One Voice. Tanig sa ilong.
Hindi.
Yan. Love you, mommy.
Yan. Love you, mommy. Bakit ako magagalit? Ano nga ba? Tulungan mo na lang kami. Uy. Song. Any song. Friendship. About life. Ganon. Wag yung love song. Hindi bagay sa amin dalawa.
Tagalog.
Oo, ganun ko Tagalog.
Tagalog. Think pa. Tagalog.
Benjo, kaya lang ngayon na ako kay Michael Jackson. Dami sanong Michael Jackson song.
Pamang Michael Jackson.
Ang saya-saya ko pa naman kanina. Ano ba yun? Ito pala yung kapalit.
Umiiyak.
Nanak. I just feel like I don't belong.
No, ayan ka na naman sa feeling mo. You belong. Kahit kayo ng group. Nalulungkot ako every time may mawawala sa group namin. Siya pa yung pinaka-close ko. Sleep in the same. Alam ko ano man siya sa bahay, pero di ko bakit. Pag ganito, isang group kasi. Ay, sabay kami gumawa ng kahit anong bagay, sabay ganito. Hirap lang eh.
Bakit kasi laging ganun yung consequence? Bumuo pa ng group kasi hiwa-hiwala
Yun
yun.
nga eh! Hindi naman kasi kinang ganun eh.
Eh di magsalo na lang tayo, di ba?
Sabi ko na nga ba, hindi, actually, naramdaman ko na ikaw eh. Hindi ko lang pati ako eh. Sisabay lang naman tayo. Hindi na tayo pwedeng papalag ng dati. Pa rin tayo gigising.